Good evening, everyone. So, this is my synthesis video for Mr. David report all about the Internetwork operation. So, the capacity to learn is a gift, and the ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice. So, investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Just be humble, be teachable, and always keep learning. That's why in this report, I am expecting to learn more all about the communication, data communication. So, what is the part of internet work in data communication? So, it is also from the book Data and Computer Communication by William Stallings, 10th edition. So, from the word itself, internet work operation. So, in this report, the reporters tackles all about the internet work operation. So, from the word itself, if you are going to, so if I will going to understand the meaning of the topic by its title alone, from the word itself, from the root word internet. So basically, internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities. So consisting the interconnected networks using the standardized communications protocol. So the internet helps us with facts and figures, information and knowledge of for personal and social and economic development. So there are many uses of the internet. So however, the use of the internet in our daily life depends on individual requirements and goals. So the internet is the collection of many different systems and protocols. So the two most important protocols allowing the computers to transmit data in the internet are the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, and Internet Protocol, or IP. With these protocols, virtually all computers and can communicate with each other. So that is the internet. So there are three components to the internet. So there is email, Usenet, Newsgroups, and the World Wide Web, or the WW. So the internet developed from the ARPANET, which tackles the past reports, the ARPANET, which was funded by the US government to support projects within the government and at universities and research laboratories in the United States, but grow over time to include most of the world's largest universities and research arms of many technologies companies. So in this report, so there is a topic that corresponds in the past lectures, past topics of this book, which is the LAN and the routers, which tackles in chapter 19. So in LAN, you are connected via wired connection. So there is a types of internet connection using wired, especially in fiber optics, and also there is a wireless network connection in internet. The let us and signals that from the antennas. So internet working. So internet working operation is the practice of interconnecting multiple computer networks such that any pair of hosts in the connected networks can exchange messages irrespective of their hardware level networking technology. So the resulting system of interconnected networks are called an internetwork or simply an internet. So basically in this chapter tells about how internet works. So there's a lot of subtopics under the internet. So that this internet is connected to the past topics, which is also a data communication and data transmission. So in this topic, there is a quote says that we are beginning to understand or at least to appreciate the cause of time delays and overloading phenomena in communication system handling competing users with different levels of importance. So there is a basis for hope that one day we may be able to automate highly sophisticated priority systems. Such system may even be so effective as to provide the operational equivalent of exercise judgment. So the the quote is very deep. So but if we are going to understand it, so we are now in a highly technology era where we are going to understand the system and how it works, especially in this topic, internet. So we are appreciating now the manifestation of the 4G connection, 4G technology connection in our data, which is we can also use in our daily lives. And in the last part, that there is a basis for hope that one day we may be able to automate highly sophisticated priority system, where we are now, so for example here in the Philippines, we are now currently developing the internet connection from 4G technology upgraded to 5G technology, where these topics is already tackled in the last chapters of this book. So also in question number 4, what concept talk time for me to understand? So actually there is a topic that that I hard to, so it is difficult for me to understand. So this is the dynamic host configuration protocol, or the DHC protocol. So this is only my topic that this is only the topic that I I hardly it take time for me to understand. So but at the end of the topic, at the end of the discussion of the reporter, I already understand what is the dynamic host. So dynamic host configuration protocol, so it is a kind of network management protocol used in internet protocol networks for automatically assigning the IP address and other communication parameters to devices connected to the network using the client-server architecture. So the technology eliminates the need for individually configuring network devices manually and consists of two network components: a centrally installed network DHCP server and clients instances of the protocol stock in each computer or devices. So for the last question, so the reporters delivered the report very well, and for me I don't have any question to give. So for me, it is enough. Thank you so much.